little away from the backpack. I don't care. Oof. Okay. Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trish if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. How are you? It's October 2021. I was live this morning talking about Sockstravaganza. Right before I came on live, I got the email that said that my Paradise packages had been delivered. I guess you can see it's a Halloween theme. I'm so happy. I love Halloween. I love scary movies. For me, that's the consolation prize for the end of summer, is all the scary movies you can watch for a whole month. I've said it many times, but just in case you're new, I have 2 of these, and you might be saying, Trish, why do you have 2? Well, Paradise sends me one to open on my channel, and I buy one to give away to one of you. Last month, I picked a winner, and it was Mary, and then I couldn't remember where I put the package. I always had a special place before I moved into the studio, and then I just was like, where did I put it? Well, this month I did better, and I knew exactly where it was. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see the drawing for who won last month. This is the September 2021 bag. But if you want to win this bag, all you have to do is comment on a video starting on this one. It goes all the way until the next bags show up at my door, or really until that video gets shot. And then at the end of the video, I use a random comment picker to pick a winner. I don't have any clue what's in here. Sometimes I see hints, and sometimes I see spoilers because I'm like way across the country from Paradise Fibers. I've seen nothing. I haven't even had my eyes open, basically. So this month I was smart. I got my scissors. I'm all ready, but I need glasses, so I'll be right back. Okay, let's do it. Oh, I am always nervous. I'll cut something. Okay. So comment below what you would hope to get in your October box. Like, what is your dream? Are you ready? Let me get my papers out. Here we go. All right. So it says Spooktober. Featuring new cryptic Corriedale shades. That's fun. Okay, 2 new shades of cryptic Corriedale. Ooh, oh. Okay, let's do this. Ooh, one of my most favorite things is in here. All right. So these are the 2 possibilities. Let's see which one I got. It's either Professor Pumpernickel or Baroness Bloomfield. Okay. Oh wait, did I get... No, you get them both. Okay, I can read, I swear. You get both. Aren't these cute? It says approximately 3 ounces each. Let's get these open. Okay, can I just tell you how cute these are? These boxes must take forever to put together. This is like a real trick or treat. It's a treat. No tricks. Oh, look at that. I love pink and green. But there's also some yellow, black. Oh my gosh, there's even a little either silver or white. I'm not sure. Love this. Not sure what'll happen with it. Almost kind of reminds me of watermelon in a way, just because of the color combo. Oh my gosh. So this one is Professor Pumpernickel. Oh my god. I really want to get in close so you can see the color. Hang on. Look at all these colors in here. I am gonna have to do something interesting with this one, and I have some thoughts. And then this one, which was Baroness Bloomfield. This one looks like it's like purples and oranges. Ooh. Let's see if we can get in really close and get some of this color. Oh, John's gonna love this one. These are all his favorite colors, honestly. That one's really fun. They're both really fun. Okay, let's see what else. It says Ghoul Fleece Locks, premium polyester staple fiber that can be spun into a fluffy art yarn. Interesting. Carded with other fibers to add stretch, texture, dyed or used as firm but cushy stuffing for toys and more. All right, let's check that one out. Oh, wow. So these are in a spider web bag. If only you guys knew how scared I am of spiders. Oh my gosh, they do. These really do look a lot like locks. I'm gonna have to think about what's gonna happen with these. Can I dye them? Wouldn't that be cool? You can dye some nylon ones with, let's try it. We're gonna try and dye these. That'll be fun. Okay. Let's see. And then there is a Notions bag in here. Oh, and one new shade of wool neps. Oh my gosh. What? There's a lot in the bag this time. Check out my neps. I got gold. It is called Sunset. This is very, oh, I might have to see what I can do with these too. I have done some spinning with these before where I blended them in, but I have some other thoughts. So I guess tell me what you think about the neps. What would you do with these? I'd be so interested to hear, you know, other people's thoughts about how to incorporate these into some yarns. And then there's a Notions bag. Okay. A Ulixir vinyl sheep sticker. Oh, cute. I love these. I am totally, they've done this a few times where they did the stickers where they print on the foil, and I love those. A pumpkin spice stash tea. So that's yummy and very fallish. I'm just not ready for fall, but I have no choice. Oh, cute. Look at this stitch marker. A black cat stitch marker. How cutesy cute is that? And they match my nails right now. And then there's cinnamon sticks in here. Hang on, let me get them out. You know, you can make your whole house smell like fall with these. Oh gosh, I love them. I probably will just go ahead and start these because I really need to try to embrace fall. You know, that's my age-old problem this time of year. I'm a summer girl in October world. Okay, so they have some ideas in here on how to use the neps to make a textured pumpkin, and a link to the designer's website, and it's fitfoodartshop.com. where you can find the pumpkin. Oh, and these are meant to be stems in your pumpkins. Okay, I didn't actually realize that. So if you look at the picture, the cinnamon sticks are used as the stem. So that was the inclusion of these. But honestly, take a little piece, put it in some boiling water, make your whole house smell like fall. You can thank me later. Just take a little bit, you'll love it. Thanks Paradise Fibers for the spooky bag. I love it. I cannot wait to spin this. It's gonna be so much fun. But don't leave, it's time to go pick a winner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess we gotta count it 7. And then how many lives? Holy cow, there's a lot of videos. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 videos in the last month. That's crazy. Okay, so we go to random number generator and pick one between 1 and 12. So it's number 1. That's gonna be the last Paradise unboxing. I gotta go back and get a link. Okay, so number 1 is the last Paradise unboxing, which is this one. So I just get a shareable link and then go to random comment picker. Paste, get comments, and start. You win! I think your name, I know you've told me your name. Michelle, please tell me it's Michelle. You win! Says, so glad to see you back. Took my e-spinner on a trip to Wisconsin, fished every day, and taught my sister and dad to spin wool. Wonderful family visit. That's awesome. So all you have to do to claim your prize is send me an email with your snail mail address, and I will get it out in the mail to you. And I am shipping tomorrow, which is Saturday. So if I get it before then, it'll go out right away tomorrow. So congratulations. Thanks, you guys. I'll see you Sunday for live with the Fiber Tribe, and I love you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.